we've drawn a cluster of 50-meter radius, and 85 to 90% of the testing is done only in these clusters. Before I started off with this strategy, sir, we had a choice. Everybody said, the moment we start bombarding like this, the numbers would go up and it would create a panic and all kinds of stuff. All kinds of things were stated, sir. But, sir, our focus has been drawing inspiration from you. Our focus has been to bombard these stress only in these clusters to the extent of 85 to 90% of tests are done only in these clusters, so as to detect cases as early as possible, sir. Only when these cases are detected as early as possible can we achieve this lowest number of mortality deaths, sir. Otherwise, the mortality numbers would go beyond a point if you do not detect them early, sir. So our strategy has been to detect these cases as early as possible, to provide timely medical treatment to those infected, while also containing the spread of infection, sir. Sir, we have made a concerted effort towards destigmatization and enhancement of infrastructure facilities at an unprecedented level in all our hospitals, sir. So during the month of March, sir, when the first case was identified in our state, we had to send the test samples all the way to Pune, sir. We never even had a virology lab in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Today, from that stage, we have drastically improved our testing facilities to an unprecedented level of conducting 47,459 tests per million, sir. Sir, we have testing facilities currently stationed in one of every 13 districts that we have, sir. All of them are self-reliant for testing now. Not only that, sir, every district has also become a self-reliant for medical care of COVID patients as well, sir. For treatment of the mildest of the cases to the most severe of the cases, sir. Sir, I'm happy to inform you that through aggressive testing, early detection, contact tracing, and continuous involvement of more than 2 lakh volunteers at the ground level, along with rigorous clinical management, we have succeeded in keeping the mortality to less than 0.90%, sir.
ఈ వీడియో కానీ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్, కామెంట్, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.